Hi, in the last video we learned how to use some commonly used functions on Excel. And in this video we're going to learn to use the function if to apply conditional formatting to our data. So here we have the data of employees who work for a hypothetical company. The first column shows the names of the employees. The second column shows the hours that they have worked for in a week. The third column shows their hourly wages. And here in the fourth column, we're going to calculate their overtime. So overtime is hours that are worked on top of 40 base hours in a week. So we can do that by equal to, so hours worked minus 40. And then enter. So we can see that Ellie worked 5 hours overtime. And we know it's true because 40 is the base hour and he worked 45 hours. So he worked 5 hours overtime. Now if we want to find the overtime for the rest of our employee, we can just take the cursor to the corner of the box, drag it down, and it's going to apply the same function to our rest of the employees. So here we can see a lot of negative number, which does not make sense in overtime. So we have to find a better way to calculate our overtime for each employee. So let's go back. So here's when we can use the function if. So the function always starts with an equal to sign, and then we say if for the function if parentheses. It asks for a logical test. So it asks for a condition. So what is our condition? Our condition is that if B column, so here B2 is greater than 40, then, so if our condition is true, then what we want is B2 minus 40. And if it's not true, we don't want negative numbers, we want 0. So if the condition is false, we want 0. Parentheses, enter. So here, we see that Ellie worked 5 hours overtime. Now let's apply that function to the rest of our employees. So cursor to the corner, make a plus sign, drag it down. There we have it. So for employees who didn't work any overtime are getting zeros. So you can see. Now let's calculate their bonus. So bonuses is for employees who have worked overtime hours. And the calculation goes as, so we can just simply calculate it by starting an equal to sign. So we're going to give half of their hourly wages for the overtime that they have worked on top of their salary. So 0.5, half of their times hourly wage, which is 20 for Ellie. So we're going to say C column. And then times that by overtime that they have worked. Enter. So Ellie is receiving $50 bonus in his salary. Let's apply that to the rest of our employees. So plus the corner, cursor to the corner, plus sign, drag it down. So here we can see Doris is making $72 bonus because she worked 12 hours overtime. And Herman is making $120 bonus because he also worked 12-hour overtime, but his hourly wage is more than Doris. Now let's calculate salary for each of our employee. How can we do that? Start function by equal to sign. Always start a function by equal to sign. Now hours that they have worked times their hourly wage times Okay, their hourly wage, not times, plus their bonuses. All right, now we're going to do enter. 950. So Ellie is earning $950 in a week. Now let's apply this formula to our rest of the employee to find out their salaries. So cursor to the corner, make a plus sign, drag it down. There we have it. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.